Meaning of deep water.
Deep water.
Deep water.
Deep water.
Deep water. Deep water refers to areas of the ocean that have a depth of more than 200 meters. These areas are characterized by low temperatures, high pressure, and minimal light penetration. The lack of light results in a sparse ecosystem that is mainly supported by the presence of organic matter that sinks from the surface. Deepwater habitats support a diverse range of organisms, including various species of fish, invertebrates, and microbes. However, the effects of human activities such as fishing and pollution can also have severe impacts on these delicate ecosystems.